I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of our new cookbook, Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
Live fierce,
Stay bold.
stay bold, eat delicious.
And we're so excited because we're making page 83, which is a cilantro mint sauce. And I'm really excited because I have a friend, Koyan, coming to make something with us next week. And she's going to use this mint sauce to dip it in. But she calls it a green chutney, which is, I think, the way that she views it through the lens of eating Indian food. I call it the cilantro mint sauce. So it's really easy to make. And if you're cooking along, again, it's on page 83. And the foundation is cashews that are soaked. Sorry, my soaked cashews are over here doing their good thing of soaking. And I soaked them in warm water. And these have been soaking actually overnight because I was so excited they got ready. Would you mind draining these in the sink for me? Just pour the water out. Thank you, Mommy. But we have a half a cup of mint leaves. This is my half cup. So here's half a cup of mint leaves.
Want these in?
Sure. Or actually, no. Sorry, I forgot. We're supposed to mix up the green stuff first. And did we get all the cashews? They're like gold. Okay, sorry about that. So then we put in the half cup of cilantro. I'm going to take off some of the stems because it says to destem it. We never really destem it. I think our cookbook editors like.
Why not just throw in the stems?
Because just it says to destem the. So that's enough of cilantro. I know you don't destem a thing, and you've trained me to not do that. So we're going to combine the mint and the cilantro till a green pulp forms, and I think plugging it would help. So we're gonna Wade's here he's our genius IT Wade, and he's bringing us power.
Yeah.
Thank you, Wade. Here we go. Here goes the power. Okay, so this is just mint leaves and cilantro leaves, and some stems, and we're just gonna make it into
Not enough stems.
Not enough stemage. I know. Never enough stems for Ann. So these just mix up together, kind of a nice. Pulpy blend.
Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't that smell amazing?
Oh.
So, get your head in there.
No, I don't need to put my head in. It's
Wait, you
all
smell that?
over
It's just,
here.
it's so powerful. Smell that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
It's a hit.
It hits over here just as strong a way.
Okay, can I have 3/4 cup of almond milk? And then we can put the cashews in as well. So that's half a cup of cashews. They swell up. They expand quite a bit. So have them in warm water for at least, I don't know, an hour if possible, just to give them a chance to swell up. And they get, look, it's quite a bit. So that's going to go in. So we've got our almond milk. We've got cashews.
Carefully measured 3/4 cup.
Thank you. And then we're going to put in something that's really powerful. Smell that. You know what that is? The spice that you like but don't love.
Cumin.
Right. Smell those. Smell that. Isn't that good?
Oh, yeah.
These are cumin seeds, which is different than the cumin itself. So we're going to do, I think, a teaspoon of these goes in. All right. And it brings such an interesting, different flavor to this chutney, or this sauce, I should say. Or maybe I should call it chutney. I don't know. It feels too chefy for me to call it chutney. And then we're going to do some minced vinegar. Minced ginger. And this is going to mince it up even more, so it's not that minced. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 1, 2. And what we have in here is something called it's called a finger pepper, or it's an Indian green pepper. It's different than a jalapeno. Jalapeno is kind of
Isn't
bigger.
it a finger chili?
Sorry, finger chili. No, but it's called a minced green finger pepper.
Okay.
But I think a green chili would be a better word for it, because look, it's the size of a finger. And we're only going to use about 1/4 of a teaspoon. These are hot, so I have about 1/4 of a teaspoon.
But you're including some of the seeds too.
I didn't mean to. So a little bit of 1/4. It's going to chop up more once it's in there. And if you're using a pinch of
Shall I
salt,
put that in?
no, I had my quarter bit, and I made it early. So I made it earlier, and I just used a tiny. This was about this long, and I used one, and then this time, and we didn't even use all of it. So it does its job well. If you don't mind that kind of heat, fine. We'll put one little chunk in.
Well, we may need to put more chunks in if it needs it.
What's that?
It might need more chunks.
Oh yeah, if we want more heat and stuff, great. I'm going to take a moment and put all the flavor down the sides, because sometimes all the cumin seeds go flying up onto the edges and don't get blended. Same with the ginger, same with the green pepper. Oh my gosh, if I got one bite of that green finger chili, I think it must be called a finger chili. We called it pepper in the book. Apologies if we are totally wrong. I got some on my arm there. All right, so this
It's pretty easy.
is really easy, really quick, and I mean, you can blur it up as much as you want. I'm just gonna do that because I just saw a chunk of green
Chili
chili
pepper?
Yes. Some things that we have this on. We have this. We just love all kinds of bowls, and like this in particular, we would put with a bowl of brown jasmine rice. With we have all kinds of dals from other cookbooks, and in this cookbook we have a great chickpea masala, but I don't think we have a dal. We have a little dal in another cookbook. But if you make your own dal, this is a wonderful topping for it. It kind of
It's so fresh.
it's so fresh and light. And sorry, I'm talking with that on. So we add this. I would use this as a topping, like one would with a raita kind of thing. It's not a chutney and like the whole fruit and vegetable like onion and mango kind of thing. This is. So let's taste this with the teaspoon. That's where the finger pepper was.
It's not hot. It's a shame it needed those other two little pieces.
Does it?
No.
Oh.
But it might.
So we can try this with anything. We have a little bit of black rice here today. At one point, do we have a little black rice? Can we get a little bowl of black rice? I want to try this on some black rice. So, was it hot now? Did you get
No,
the heat?
I got it, but
She's panting, so I think she got some black rice. If you can't find the black rice, that's fine. We can use something else.
no, I put it away.
Oh, we do have some black rice coming. Be right back. So we have a little bit of black rice that we're going to taste this on. This could be any kind of brown rice or black rice, or it could be greens, or it could be like a wrap,
Just dip anything in. Like if you have a
it's like a runny
Anything.
hummusy layer. It's like a dress, or it could be a dressing. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Oh, I'll take this.
I can
off.
see if you're making a cucumber, like a cucumber burrito, a collard burrito, it would be really nice to dip it in.
Oh, that'd be great. A cucumber burrito, like hollow out a big cucumber. That would have a big
Not
cool
bad.
recipe. It's just so light and lovely.
It's light and fresh. And it almost needs something like straight.
Like more red hot pepper. I think it's perfect. Okay, this is green chutney, or as we call it, cilantro mint sauce. Oh no, my friend Koyan also calls it coriander mint sauce, because coriander and cilantro are the same herb, green, whatnot. All right, hey, we're gonna keep eating our cilantro mint sauce on our rice and figure out other ways that we can masterfully use it.
Dip it. Oh,
Dip it, or use
dip
it
it
as a dip?
As a dip. I mean,
Use it
you
as a
could
dip.
dip too. I mean, so many ways. Ooh.
So many ways. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.